Welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I am going to show you stuffed okra curry or Bindi curry. We need okra, depends on how much you want. These are maybe 30 okras or Bindi, and we need besan for this. This is again already skinned chickpea powder, that's flour, and this looks little black color, dark color. And this is oil we need, and some cilantro and some spices. This is salt, pink salt, 1 spoon, and 1 spoon red chilli powder, and pinch of turmeric, and half spoon cumin seeds. Let's start the recipe. I'm going to mix all the spices together. And divide into 2 parts. One is lesser portion and one is more portion. I need some cilantro too. Green chilli chopped in this. I'm going to add major portion of spices into the basin and add some oil in this and cilantro and mix them well. I'm just going to add few drops water, just little bit. I've chopped it on one side and made the slit like this, and I'm going to fill these bindi with the mixed up chickpea flour. I'm going to finish off all the bindis. I've finished filling up, and this is the leftover spice powder, and I'm going to load this into the steamer. Here I loaded into steamer, timer for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes of steaming, it looks like this. It's half cooked. Now I'm going to add oil into the pan. Turn on the stove. Just 2 spoons are good enough. I'm going to add cumin seeds and all spices. Mix them. I'm going to spread all over the pan. I'm going to add all these bindis, stuffed bindis into the pan. I've added all bindis, and I'm going to add little bit hot water into this. I'm covered with the lid and wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Let me open. I've added a little more hot water into this. It again takes 2 more minutes. Let me see. It looks done. Just I'll turn upside down. It's already half cooked, so it doesn't take much time. It looks good. Let me plate it. I'll take one more. Let me taste. It tastes too good. You should try this recipe. If you like this recipe, share with your friends and subscribe my channel for new notifications. And for full recipe, look into the description box below. And thank you for watching, and see you with next recipe soon.